visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So, this is a general reading, no? I want you to know na pwedeng mag-resonate ang buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. And I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find this video, whenever you see the video, the message is meant to find you as well. Now with the Six of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Ten of Wands. So meron dito nahihirapang mag-move on or mag-move forward. Laging naaalala, no, itong past. Whether this is you are single now or meron kang karelasyon ngayon. You know, parang malaki ang impact na binigay sa'yo ni ex, no? Nakikita kasi natin dito with the Six of Cups, parang sabihin natin you also jump from a different person, no, nung nawala siya, but you keep on coming back to the memories. Or you would love to try, but then again, yun nga, ang hirap, no? Kasi parang either naibigay na natin lahat with the Ace of Pentacles, or dito tayo nagsimulang mangarap, no? We dream big, not just for ourselves, but you know, for either the people around us or with the person. It becomes a burden right now, siguro yung mga naririnig mo, no, dahil meron siguro kayong mga ginagawa before, or kanta na kinakanta niya na naririnig mo, mga places, no, na pinupuntahan nyo, na dumadaan ka pa rin. You know, there's so much, even sa pagkain, sa amoy, ayan. So, baka mamaya pati amoy ng downy, no? Yung, passion, downy passion, baka naman, no? Baka yun yung, nagamit ko na siya several times. Mabango naman. Pero meron ako ibang brand na ginagamit, no? Anyway, with the Ace of Pentacles in here, yun nga, baka naaano mo siya. This person always reminds you of them. So the Six of Cups, clarified with the Justice and the Nine of Swords. Parang tinatanong mo dito, naalala din kaya niya ako, na-stress din kaya siya nung nagkahiwalay ka, ano na kaya meron sa kanya. You're very curious, no? With what is happening with your person right now. So with the Ten of Wands, let's clarify also the Ten of Wands kasi medyo burdensome ito, no? The Ten of Wands is clarified by the Seven of Pentacles and the Seven of Cups. So, parang kahit tumalon-talon ka, no, you keep on checking whether this is you or your person, or baka both, no? Again, this is general. You might switch the energy. What I am reading here is the dynamic. Baka, you know, kahit papano either daan ka pa rin ng daan or si ex daan ng daan sa lugar mo. Just, you know, hoping na makita ka uli, magkausap kayo, no? So, let's see here. Or even, no, you are in a relationship right now. You keep on looking back and remembering the person, wishing na sana siya yung katabi. No, I remember the song, yung kay Katy Perry, yung, ano ba ito? Yung Ah, babawal nga pala kumanta YouTube do'n 'no? Baka ma-copyright tayo. Thinking of You 'no, nandun yung part na, ah, I kiss I kiss his lips, I taste your mouth. Ayun, I kiss your lips, I taste your I'm about to sing it. Anyway, hindi rin naman ako marunong kumanta. With a page of pentacles, the prospect, and the devil card, so parang nakikita natin dito, may gagawin. Kasi I feel like merong parang mali eh. Mali yung hindi ko pwede rin sabihing mali. Baka this might work, no? Pero kasi instead of kausapin kung sino man yung tao, no? It felt like pagsaselosin ko. Yung parang ganun yung drama. Pagsaselosin ko siya. So, either mag-start ito ng scene, either manliligaw or poporma, no? Or magpapapansin, either sa katrabaho mo, sa best friend mo, sa neighbor mo, somewhere malapit sa'yo, no? So, with the Queen of Wands, yeah, and the Lovers, but this is their way of, parang maging close uli kasi there's no reason no, to, there's no reason na to be near you. Only if, kung meron siyang pupuntahan doon every day. So, parang ito yung gagawin niyang way for now, just to have a conversation or probably have a glimpse of you. With the Two of Swords, that's actually given. The Two of Swords. So, meron na talaga ditong separation, whether you both are not in connection anymore sa mata ninyo. Sa mata ng ibang tao. Kasi sa mata ninyo, parang meron pa no? Yeah, that's why it is called a crossroad, no? The Fool card, I know. So, parang medyo, the Three of Cups. Parang medyo immature nga itong move ni person. So, gagawa nga siya ng move na immature for the crossroad. And for them, it is a celebration. For them, it is a victory. Because either, makagawa nga siya ng eksena, no? Makukuha niya nga yung attention mo, but not in a good way, I guess. Pero for them, nakuha ko yung gusto ko, nakuha ko yung attention mo. So, parang gano'n. With the Empress and the Eight of Wands. So, I don't know kung magiging kasabwat ito, but I feel like popormahan niya, pero sasabihin din niya na that is their only way to get close. So, parang magkaka-idea din itong pinopormahan, no? I don't know, magulo ang utak niya. With the Three of Pentacles and the King of Wands. So, pinagplanuhan niya to. I don't know kung paano niya to naisip. Baka ganun nga, no? Ka-desperate ang kanyang mind. Kasi, well, with the King of Wands in here, the passion is really intense. The King and Queen of Wands are also in alignment. Different deck nga lang, no? Different deck ang ginamit ko. But the King and Queen of Wands are in here. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon pa rin kayo ng conversation. Ayoko lang yung part na gagamit. Magagamit ng ibang tao, no? And magpapagamit naman yata itong Empress. Again, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know dito sa comment section. Please do click the subscribe, like, and share. And to help the channel boost, no? Para at least gumalaw yung ating algorithm. And let's check now the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, the sun, moon, rising. And of course, reading mo ito, lalabas din ang zodiac sign mo. I'm seeing Leo, Taurus, Pisces, Aries, Libra. Taurus is dominant. Virgo is here. Sagittarius, Libra is also dominant. I'm seeing Scorpio. I am seeing Capricorn. Cancer is here. Aries is here. Aries, yeah. Sagittarius is here. Gemini is here. Yeah, Capricorn is also dominant. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.
You want the